With God, everything is possible. Amen. I didn't believe one day I would be here. I can't believe this. I'm so excited. Happy Women's Day. Come on, give a mighty hand to Jesus and give it to the mothers. All the mothers in the house. Hallelujah. Every one of us came from a mother. Whether she is alive, whether she has loved you, whether she has been there for you, whether she has neglected you, whether she gave you to your grandma, just know God expects you to honor your mother and father. Hallelujah. It is one thing that's very hard to comprehend. Many times we have this dream, we want fancy homes. If there's anything, even personally, I don't want to go back to Uganda, but I'm going back because I'm a father to somebody there. And so I really have to go back. One thing which has been very hard for me before was forgiveness. And I had a problem with my dad. I don't know about the dads here, but I see them doing amazing jobs. I am living with my sister here, and when I see what her husband does, you men here are superheroes. You wash plates, men washing plates, men preparing food for their children. Oh my goodness. I am going back a changed man. I am telling you. I just sat back and I looked at this man. I'm like, he's right from office, straight to the sink, and like, honey, do you need a hand? And I'm like, are you a man? Are you need to and what down? Yeah. It just blew me away. But in the end, I realized that's how family is supposed to be. You should be allowed to get out. And it doesn't happen in Uganda. This is not happening in Uganda where you're allowed to shine like this and come out. You know? And I'm going back and I'm going to spread the gospel. Amen. Amen. I missed your lecture. Give a mighty hand to the men. Please. Any man who served food today, I want to, yes, I won't embarrass you. I will not embarrass you, please. Anybody who served food, men, come on, clap for them. Even for the rest of us who did not serve food, please don't forget to clap. It is important that I am encouraged to be recruited. Amen. So I came a few days ago, and the weather only allowed me to get out yesterday and today. How do you do it? What happened to this room? It's been, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Because when I'm inside our house, it's amazing. I get out, it's like I'm taken into the refrigerator. Yes. So I got the opportunity to go to West Ham yesterday and move around and eat out as well. So give a mighty hand to my sister here. They're doing a good job. And I think I might stay for 2 months because I'm enjoying this. When I called my wife and she saw me, she said, "You're looking beautiful." I said, "Yeah, London is like that." And when I get to London, please, it's okay. Give a mighty hand to her. Come on, children are a gift from God. And God is the only one who can give children. And a gift doesn't give you pain. It gives you joy. Just learn to enjoy us, your children. Hallelujah. Amen. So growing up, I struggled with forgiveness because of one thing. My dad, I come from Koch. Anybody from Koch here? Okay. Now in English, if you want to say Koch, you say the coastal people. People from the coast area of Koch. Okay? So growing up, my father was a very generous man. In a sense that if you gave him the opportunity, he will give you children. So he had very many wives. Yes, very, very generous. You don't joke with my wife. Smiling around, you get a child. You smile with him, you get a... That's how generous he was. My mother being the first woman, okay? She knew that was the love of her life. And practically, they were very good with each other that they got at least 6 children. But Muzee had more than 30 wives. Hallelujah. And you know what that comes with? Competition from the women for his affection, competition from the children for his affection. And I just looked at this man. The last wife always was the queen of the home. If it is your turn and you are the last wife, you are enjoying. And then all the women turn their guns onto you. Hallelujah. With everything they have got, they also recruit us, the children, to hate you with them. You know? So being the one of the first children in my father's life, I hated the team from my mom. Okay? And so it was I hated them. When it came to, I gave the command, attack, withdraw, retreat, all those things came from me. Simply because I was trying to protect my mother. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Now, I recruited the children. I said, nobody should talk to Mose. Nobody should call him dad. Yes, nobody should respond to any of his calls. Because he never gave us food. He never paid our fees. And he didn't do the things that fathers are supposed to do. Amen? And so because of that, they all heeded, because I supported my mom and we worked together to raise them. I would sell paraffin, sell food, and do all these other things. We decided to form a very formidable force against him. But lo and behold, I gave my life in 2008. And I didn't have any job. God made sure at least I went to school and I went and did public administration and management, paid by relatives. Now, salvation requested me because it came to Father's Day. I don't know whether it happens here, Father's Day. Yes, it came to Father's Day. And the message was, honor your father and mother. In my head, it was very clear. Honor your mother and mother, because my father didn't exist in my head. Amen? Yes. Now, because I had a bad relationship with Mose, I gave my life to Christ. And the journey began. When you give your life today, it's a journey. Amen? A lot of bad things have to start being removed from your life. And purification begins. And that can only be done by listening to the Word of God, reading the Word of God, and hearing from God. Amen? And then keeping a certain circle around you. And now I entered the choir, which was a good company around me. But I still had unforgiveness. Even in church, when they are preaching, people who are defensive like us have a problem with the Bible. So when they say honor your father and mother, I said, yeah, that's what the Bible says, but you don't understand where I have been.
Justifying.
I had every reason to hate Jose. So I didn't read the continuation. It says, so that you may have a longer life. And the other benefit is, so that your children will in return honor you with their lives. And I said, I like the benefits, really. I want a very long life. Okay? And I want my children to do what? And the answer was back at me. Honor your father and mother. So I went to the pastor. I said, I'm disturbed. Man of God, I need you to understand, okay? My father did not take care of me. My father never paid my fees. How dare I go back there and honor him? He's supposed to come to me and apologize for the things he did not do to me.